Hey guys, this is Lawrence from Laws of Physio, and today we're going to talk about the bench. So the bench is one of the best pressing movements you can do to build your chest, your triceps and your shoulders. So this is the ideal way to position your bench to push more weight. The more weight you can push, the stronger your bench gets, the bigger the muscles get, the better you get. All right, so seated position, you want your feet planted nice and wide on the floor, just like this. You're going to use the rack to drive your shoulder blades into the bench, okay? Making sure your feet are nice and stable, gripping the bar a little bit. I usually go for the first etching, just here, okay? And the way I like to make sure that everything is nice and tight is I like to pull my legs in on my toes, pull myself up, squeeze my shoulder blades together, drive them down into the bench, and as I push into my heels, I use that rebound to lift the bar up, okay? The breathing technique you want to do is deep breath in, a little out, breathe in, come down, and press. Good. Making sure to death grip the bar, trying to pull the bar apart, and this will make sure you have a nice, strong bench.